Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this countdown animation on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text, and I'm just going to start counting down from 5. You can obviously select any number that you want to start from. And I'm just going to try to make them like 1 second each. Copy and paste that, and then do 4, 3, oops, 2, and 1. You can also change the colors of them. So maybe I want this to be pink, and then purple, and then like maybe blue, yellow, and this green. Then I'm going to select everything, right click, create compound clip. Select the text. Then you're just going to go to motion blur, and you're going to set the blur and the blend like this, or just adjust it however you want. And I'm just going to wait for it to process. And that should be it. As you can see, like you'll see that in between the text, it will like kind of blur out to be the other like numbers instead of just like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I think that adds a better transition. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!